My question is it necessary to offer Salah only? Can't we pray to Allah in our own way? And will it be accepted by Allah? And did the earlier prophets pray like how we do, and did they pray 5 times a day?
The brother asked a question that should we offer the Salah in the same way as told in the Quran and Hadith? Can we offer in our own way? And did the earlier prophets offer in the same way as this Salah? Regarding my second part of the question, all the prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala offered Salah. And all of them at least did the sujood, the main part of Salah. But all the prophets may not have offered exactly the same way as we offer today. As the Holy Quran says in Surah Ma'idah chapter 5 verse number 3, on this day have I completed a religion for you, and I have completed my favor on you, and I have chosen for you Islam. After the Quran was revealed, the whole deen was made complete. Before that, the prophets did offer Salah, they did do sujood. But everything else was not in the same form, maybe somewhat similar. As I gave examples, what's mentioned in the Bible, etc. Somewhat similar, but may not be the exact form. Regarding the first part of the question, that can we offer in any way like we want? Why should we offer in the same way? I gave you the reasons why we offer Salah the way we offer Salah. There are social benefits. The increase of brotherhood is there. Unity is there. Equality is there. If you say, okay, I want to offer in my house only, sitting on the chair, all these benefits you not derive. Social equality, brotherhood, love between the human beings, the spiritual benefits, and various benefits, the full talk which I gave, major part of it contains the benefits. If you offer in your style, you will not derive all these benefits. And this is the way taught to us by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Prophet. If you think you're better than the Prophet, you can try it, but you will fail. As the Holy Quran says in Surah Al-Imran chapter 3 verse 54, Makru makrallahu wallahu khairul makirin. The unbelievers plotted and planned. Allah too planned. Allah is the best of planners. So Allah has shown you the way, this is the best. If you think you're better than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and want to improve on Him, you can try it, you will fail. Like Allah gives the challenge, try and produce a surah better than the Quran. People have tried, they have failed. So if anyone thinks he's better than Allah and the Prophet, is as good as Quf. That's why the unbelievers, they pray the way they pray. But anyone who has faith in the Holy Quran and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the Prophet, they will only follow the way showed by the Prophet, as the Holy Quran says, Atiullah wa atiur Rasul. Hope that answers the question.